Okay, so we quickly complete chapter 11. Then let's start from here. Brother. I did all this, but I didn't know problem. So, that this chapter, we learned about the
You go
past.
on, you go on. Shall be
We
on.
learned
Yeah, you go on.
the past tense of the modal verbs. Okay, and they are just like the normal verbs. We add te to the ending. Okay, te to the ending to form the past tense. All right, and so können, but they all lose their umlaut in the French. The past tense, they'll use their umlaut. So können changes to konnte. Okay, you take away the verb stem with the en and add your te, and yeah. Then müssen will also change what mussten. Okay, for the infinitive dürfen, durften. Okay, dürften to durften. Then wollen to wollten, mögen to mochte, then sollen to sollten. Yeah, and they also undergo conjugation, but just like all modal verbs and like conjugative, the first person singular and the third person singular, the conjugation are always the same. So ich kann is yes, yes kann, ich könnte, ich konnte is also yes, yes konnte. Okay, müssen, ich musste, yes, yes musste. So, and building sentence with weil, done it over and over again. Always the conjunction. When weil is used as a conjunction, it pushes the verb towards the end of the sentence. Okay. Okay. Then um, here too we have then when you start sentence with the Lebenssatz, immediately the main clause we begin the verb starts the main clause. Okay, so when we say ich bin gegen einen Hund, weil ich Angst habe, and want to say I am afraid of dogs because yeah I am afraid I am afraid ich habe Angst because I am afraid, I am against dogs. Yeah. So when you start such sentence, then your bin will okay with the neighboring starts with the main clause. When you start the verb will start what the sentence. Klar, dann Sätze verbinden, connecting sentences. So we have many conjunctions or connectors. We have den, which is also because we have und, aber, oder, sondern. Okay. Yeah, and these ones they have no effect on what the neighboring verbs. When you use them to form connected to combine sentences, they have no influence. So we still stick to our subject, verb, objects. Okay, when you use den. So I am not coming because it's raining, but ich komme nicht, weil. Sorry, what kind of vowels? I've never used den. Like I've never used den. Oh. I've never used den. Uh, ich kann nicht kommentieren, es regnet.
Ano saan ya pemi? Ano na may Dina.
And those they don't use it, so what's up here? So then we have armor, so and so, and also have no effect on what. So, yeah. So and then in Kevin's house for S farm, aber we still have start the same thing with subject, verb, objects. Okay. Yeah, unless maybe the subjects when you use this sentence aber und unless sorry when you use yeah und aber oder when the subjects like when they have when the first sentences the first sentence have the same subject as the second and these aber oder sondern oder und are used, then you can choose to like either repeat it or ignore it. Okay, and I am not coming, but it doesn't make sense to but I am not coming, but um English, how do I mix a sentence? I want to use a sentence with aber. Okay. Maybe maybe he is nice but dangerous. Okay. You can choose. So even in English, you can choose to say he is nice, but he is dangerous. Okay, so you can choose to when the subjects of the first like the first clauses they say like both the subjects of both like clauses are the same. Then with when you use order, aber, sondern, like you don't need to repeat the subject again. Okay, maybe I did the homework and I slept. Okay, ich habe die Hausaufgaben gemacht und geschlafen. You can just und geschlafen, oder you can say ich habe die Hausaufgaben gemacht und ich habe geschlafen. Like it's your own choice. Okay, but then when they have the same subjects, like then like you ignore it. But then they are different subjects. Like then you have to repeat what you have to talk about the next subject. So you won't assume that you're still talking about the same subject. Okay, yeah. So aber, oder, sondern, yeah. So like that. Dann, ja, so we have deshalb, okay, deshalb is which is why, because which is why. So the fueling is there, the spring is there. That is why he is allowed to play outside. Okay, so the fueling is da. Deshalb darf er draußen spielen. Okay, und nach deshalb Aussagesatz mit Inversion. Yeah. So last time I'm talking about these predicants, okay? They always like example vielleicht während when you use prepositions plus nouns like nach der Arbeit, like prepositional phrase, so vielleicht nicht obwohl, aber eigentlich like they stick to the subject verb objects. They stick to the subject verb. Like eigentlich vielleicht. Okay. Unless maybe you want to betone them. The person can say when you want to use like this deshalb, okay. Deshalb is always with the verb. Okay. Deshalb is always with the verb. Always. So if the deshalb will come, then the verb will follow, then the subject will come, the verb will follow, then what the deshalb will follow. Do you get it? Yeah, so vielleicht, they are called something predicant. You can't give the full sentence and put deshalb at the end or like vielleicht at the end, Although like vielleicht is not a connector, but then those the predicants with the predicants, that's how they are used. Okay, there are plenty out there like vielleicht, eigentlich, and you will get there, but I'm just saying that there's how sticks with the subject verb. Okay, so either there's how come the verb will follow then the subject, or it's the subject verb, there's how. Okay, so like I'm just saying that there are scenarios that's like you like when you want to betone the there's how, you may try to start the sentence with there's how. Like it's not always we don't always make labels that with there's how. Okay, so sometimes the other person will give the reason, then you'll be like, oh, there's a comment ear nicht, oder ihr comment, should be a comment, ihr kommt deshalb nicht. Okay, but just like this, that's and okay, so you should look out for that. Next time will be like the following the star, deshalb darf ihr draußen spielen, seine Mutter ist krank, deshalb ist ihr traurig. No, sometimes you can say, oh, ihr ist deshalb traurig, weil seine Mutter krank ist. Okay, you can combine it. Okay, but always remember that when you're using deshalb in the main clause, either subject, verb, deshalb, or what deshalb, verb, subject, klar. But then this format is more common. Like you give the first, the first sentence, then you follow what you use the deshalb as a connector. Okay, but I'm just saying that here sometimes they'll just give reasons, okay, to like statements that others have already made. Okay, so they wouldn't have to repeat the reason. Okay, yeah. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because then we have other conjunctions like das, wohin, und, these ones they put what they push the verb to the end of the sentence. We have we have plenty of them, but we stick to the book. So like I'm assuming that with now you're able to use that, and whenever you're using that in a sentence, you always remember that your verb has to go to the end of the sentence. When you use hope, the verb has to go to the sentence. When you use wohin, the verb has to go. When you use the wohin as a um, indirect question. Okay, so like Erika möchte wissen, wohin die Hochzeit reise geht, oder maybe ich will wissen, wohin ich maybe den Kühlschrank hinstelle. Okay, stelle, so you don't have to bring the hinstelle because the hin is with the wohin. Like I want to know like to which place I am putting what the fridge. So ich will wissen, wohin ich den Kühlschrank stelle. Okay, like to which towards hin. Okay, so the hin will go to the wohin. Aye. Klar? Those is basically just like indirect questions. So I want to know what you said. Ich will wissen, was du gesagt hast. Okay, W questions. All W questions plus what. I want to know why you are sad. Ich will wissen, warum du traurig bist. Okay, all W questions pushes when they are used as like indirect questions. Okay, as Nebensätze, then what they put the verb goes to at the end of the sentence. All right, so was not. Then warum?
Oh, question.
Ja, was ist deine Frage? Schnell, schnell, schnell.
And let me who be topic be about German be na maybe be so. Or question say ist warum ist so gern lesen? But it was a question.
Warum liest du gern, oder? Warum
No,
denn?
no, 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 no. I'm kind of not calling. Warum
Is it?
ist so gern lesen? No, warum ist so gern lesen? Yeah, yeah, lesen, no lesen. Not the question by question mark
Like,
about.
let me write your
To make
sentence.
myself not cool.
But, um, mm, so, like, write your sentence because I'm not getting you. Said, warum?
Ist so gern lesen.
Ist so gern lese. Meinst du so?
Yeah, with question mark.
Bitte.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bitte, this is not
No,
German.
No, yeah, is to ish. Yeah.
So like indirect question. Like it said, like, oh, he asked me why, like, I like reading. Okay, so like basically this is the indirect question. Okay, normally I will ask you, oh, warum liest du gern? Okay, then you'll be like, oh, like, warum ist so gern lese? You say like indirect question. I'm not asking.
Mm,
You say,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
English. Like I said, why do you like to read? Oh, why I like reading? You see that. So like that's the same thing. So like indirect
yeah.
question. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So then Rede mit dem für das Lesson über Wünsche sprechen. Über Wünsche sprechen. So you can use wollte ich. Okay, when what you wanted to be, you can use the past tense of the modal verb, but wollen. Maybe as a child, I wanted to become an astronaut. Als Kind wollte ich Astronaut werden. Als Kind durfte ich viel Eis essen. Als Kind konnte ich am Computer zocken. Zocken means to play video games. So computer means video games on the computer. Als Kind like using a mood after as a past tense, okay, to make plenty sentences. Then yeah. So when you're using the Ima says so like so okay, say right now you are an adult. I said just use heute, just like the book is say. So about heute, about yet, yeah, there's no need for you to say in my the suku. Unless maybe you want to say, oh, in the future I would be allowed to do something. Then but zukünftig, you can use the zukünftig or the in meiner Zukunft, okay? Versus the Zukunft. The future is the Zukunft. Okay, then you can make something like that, something out of that. Yeah, then the eigene Meinung begründen. Begründen means to justify. Okay, so to justify your opinion, you can either say you are for something or you're against it. And für und gegen are both what accusative preposition. So ich bin gegen Hunde oder ich bin gegen einen Hund oder ich bin, like, yeah, depends on how you want to, whether you are talking about plural nouns or singular, then ich bin für oder ich bin, yeah. So then we give you a reason with what? Weil. Okay, with weil. Dann nützliche Sätze, useful sentences. Weißt du, wissen Sie noch? Ja, was fish bedeutet? Do you know what? There's also bedeutet. Bedeutet means to mean, okay? To mean. And then, yeah, I built beschreiben, okay? So I say when you're describing pictures, normally you won't just like to get more words, you can also use the surrounding to describe the person. Okay, normally you won't be like, oh, ich sehe eine Frau oder auf dem Bild sehe ich eine Frau, sie trägt ein weißes Hemd und dann you can, oh, hinter ihr oder auch sie sitzt auf dem Sofa. The sofa is hinter oder an der Wand. Okay, like use the environment. Okay, for ihr in front of her is ein Laptop. Okay, so like you can use the hinten, the for, the hint, and I explain the difference between hinten and hinter and unter and unten. Okay, use the hinter, the normal preposition plus what nomen. And when I'm saying that, oh, something is just down there, oh, that is unten. Okay, that is something is behind. Maybe I'm standing behind the building. The person already knows where I'm standing. And the person asks, "Where are you?" Oh, ich bin hinten. Okay, there's no need for me to repeat that. It's stay here for the it's stay hinter then the boy there. Okay, just be like, oh, ich bin hinten, because the person knows that you're already what at the building, at the like you're close to the building. But which side? Oh, it's been hinten, which means what I am behind what the building. Okay, it's been unten means I am what. So someone will ask you like, I'm at your house. Where are you? Like in which stock? Stock means the floor. Which floor are you? Oh, ich bin unten. Okay, use those ones without nouns. Unless you want to say, oh, ich bin unter dem Gebäude. When you say you are under the building, it means you are under the building. Klar. Yeah, so people use ich bin unten. Okay, ich bin hinten. Okay, yeah. So you can use that to describe pictures. Okay, so we're moving chapter 12 right now. There'll be pictures there. Please, I want you to use preposition if you can, if the picture allows, or like you can use it. Okay, dann über Gebote und Verbote sprechen. Okay, Gebote offer verboten bans. Okay, to talk about what is allowed and what's expand. So you, like, yeah, using the modal verbs, vote, durfte, yeah. As a child, you were allowed to play outside. Als Kind durfte ich draußen spielen, aber heute habe ich keine Zeit. Okay, als Kind durfte ich, als Kind durfte ich nicht draußen gehen. Als Kind, okay, you can make sentences to talk about your childhood, but maybe gestern. Oh, gestern durfte ich so a Party gehen, aber heute habe ich so viel zu tun. Okay. Yesterday I was allowed to go outside, but today I have too much to do. Okay, so try to make plenty sense with the past of the modal verbs. Even with the present, with the like present tense of the modal verbs, you can make plenty sentences. So with the past too, you can what make plenty sentences. Okay, so always try. Clear? Yeah. So okay, so we're going to test how you take chapter 12. Should I end it? Let me end the recording.